Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your internship applications tracking using Trello boards. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Create a free Trello account if you haven't already. Log in to your Trello account. Open a new board by clicking the Create New Board button. Name your board something relevant like Internship Applications. Create lists that represent different stages of your application process. For example, you can create lists titled Applied, Interviews, Offers, and Rejections. Add cards to each list for each. On each card, include key details such as the company name, position, and application deadline. To add a card, click the Add a Card button under the appropriate list. Fill in the card title with the internship position name. Click on the card to open it and add more information. Use the description section to note specific details about the internship. Set due dates for applications by clicking on the Due Date feature. You can also add labels to categorize internships, like remote or on-site. Add checklists to the cards to track application requirements, such as resume submission and cover letter preparation. To move an application through the process, simply drag the card from one list to another. You can also comment on the card to document updates or feedback. If you have multiple internships, consider using the filter feature to view specific roles. Update your board regularly to keep track of your progress. This will help you stay organized and motivated during your job search. With these steps completed, your internship application tracking is set up for success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.